Hey guys, Link with Reformed Mac here, and today I wanted to briefly go over how to link sets in Logos 8. This is one of those features that is really easy to overlook, and if you don't know how to do it, it can be really frustrating when you open up a new resource or a commentary and it just doesn't want to work with your other resources. It's really simple to fix though. If you look at all the resources we have open, you'll see the letter A next to them. See A up there, A up there, A up there. So now if we go ahead and open up another resource, maybe it's another commentary, another translation we want to look at, it's going to open up to where we were last at in that. So here you can see we're in 1 Corinthians 1, whereas all our other resources are in 1 Timothy. And as we move, this stays stuck to 1 Corinthians 1. If we click on the 3 dots here at the top right of that panel, you'll see this option called Link Set. So now we're just going to click on the letter that corresponds to our other set. So we're going to A. Now you see it's jumped to 1 Timothy where we're at, and if we scroll, it stays with us. That's all. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, or if you want to see something else. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.